Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. The state of California might start cracking down on emissions defeat and delete devices. I'm going to tell you why I am making this claim and show you some inside information that I got from CARB today about BAR and their advisory group meeting that's happening on April 23rd of this month. Before we get into this, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. Now, why am I saying, is the state going to start cracking down on emissions delete and defeat devices here in California and possibly elsewhere? Well, get this. My buddies over at CARB sent me some information about the Bureau of Automotive Repair today because I got the inside source. I'm on the payroll. I get this top secret information. I'm going to pass it along to you guys. That's the only way I'm able to get this top secret information. Now, at the BAR meeting on the 23rd, they're going to work or go over this slide. And this slide is fraudulent aftermarket converters and O2 sensor defeat devices. So what the state has caught on to is people are making fraudulent cats. They're taking factory cats and re-sleeving them with aftermarket internals and selling them as new or just charging to replace them and looking like new. And they have caught on to the defeat devices. On top of all this, they're actually watching YouTube and showing us videos and channels that are showing you how to do these deletes or defeats. And I'm going to go over those videos and who they are in this video. I have all the slides right here. We're going to go over it all. So first off, the aftermarket catalytic converter sales since 1985 have completely decreased. And it's only because these cats are being, well, defeated or deleted. That's what the state thinks. It probably has nothing to do with the cats being so expensive in California that we just can't afford to replace them. That's probably not it. I really doubt it. Everybody has $2,500 to replace their cat on their car when it goes bad or gets stolen. And so it has to be because people are getting around what they have to do to make their catalytic converter actually legit. So that's the only reason. That's the only way this is happening. Now, what the state has figured out, the Bureau of Automotive Repair has figured out, and CARB, is that there are items for sale on the internet that will trick the computer to thinking your catalytic converter is good. And you'll see right here, before they go too far into this, they say tampering of oxygen sensors using spacers, emulators, stabilizers, or CEL fix eliminators. These are those defeat devices that you could buy on Amazon and eBay. They also, the state of California has gone through and actually sued eBay to try to get these to stop being sold. So they know about these. They know what's going on. Not just the defeat devices. If you look at here, go a little bit further, or not further, but if you look on it, where was it? Let me find it. Fraudulent cats. They are re-sleeving the cats. So what they do is cut the factory cats open, put a new honeycomb in there, weld it back up, and sell it to the customer or just say it's fixed. On top of all that, that's the problem, right? We know that's what the state is going to try to fix is these fraudulent cats and these defeat devices. So what they did is they went online and they started to figure out who is actually promoting these. And if you look at this, there's a list. These are the links to how-to online videos. This is what the state already knows. This is going to be in the presentation on the 23rd. So let's look at these. If you know any of these YouTubers, actually, before we go too far, please, have you ever heard of ExpressVPN? If you are on the internet, don't raw dog the internet. There's people out there trying to gather your information and sell it on the dark web to people that just don't want to do anything good with it. They want to ruin your life pretty much, unintentionally to them. They just want your money, but it ruins your life. You need a VPN. Go over to expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies and sign up for a VPN. And there's incredible deals I've worked out for you. If you got gamers, if you got streamers, if you got just your phone, anything. I use ExpressVPN every day. Go sign up. expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies. Go over there right now. Okay, so if you know any of these YouTubers, we're gonna go through this list. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 5 of them is YouTubers and 1 is just a Facebook link. But let's go through these one at a time. First off, on the top, I gotta pause this. We are gonna have, let me turn this down, sorry. This is from Tuner with Kids. The video is entitled P0430, P0420, check engine fix. Now, if you watch this video, this explains to you how to get around actually fixing your cat and using a defeat device. All right, next, let's go to number 2 on this list. What was that person's name before we go too far? If you know this guy, Tuner with Kids. Let him know he's on the state radar. It's not the best radar to be on. Just let him know. Now, second on the list, let's go over to this one. Click on the second one. This is, what's his name? Elvrolet. Elvrolet. This video is entitled Oxygen Sensor Spacer Test and Results. This is another person recommending using a defeat device to get the job done, to get the catalytic converter turned off. Sorry, to get the check engine light turned off due to a bad catalytic converter after he replaced the engine, I believe. So he's promoting using these spacers. So that was, again, Elvrolet, Elvrolet. If you know them, go let them know. They're on the state's radar. Third on the list is going to be, I feel like I'm picking winners out of my giveaways right now. So let's click on this third one. This is going to be Big Benz Cars and Cycles. Do O2 sensor spacers actually work? Again, this is a video promoting using a catalytic converter defeat device on the state radar. If you know them, Big Benz Car and Cycles, let them know they are on the state's radar of what they are doing. I don't know if any of these people are in California. I don't know if any of these could be sued by California, but after we go through this list of videos, I'll show you that the EPA is still saying it is illegal to install defeat devices, and it's illegal to alter your emissions as of, I believe it was December of 2025, which much hasn't changed since then. We're gonna go over that in just a moment. But let's go down to this fourth video. Hopefully that was the third one. The fourth one is CARB Problems Max. This looks like an AI thing, so I don't really care. Take this one down. Hopefully it's not a private person because I don't want anybody to lose their channel, even people I don't like. Don't lose your channel. But this is CARB Problems Max. How to trick an O2 sensor is O2 sensor bypass worth it? Again, they're promoting using a catalytic converter defeat device. If you know this channel, what was it again? CARB Problems Max. Let them know. State radar. And let's go down to this fifth one. This person is a pretty independent small channel, so this one I'm going to go let them know. I'm probably going to let them all know. But this is Six Pack Garage. He is also promoting a catalytic converter defeat device. Now, all of these channels are part of the reason of why the state of California is not selling catalytic converters like they used to. Again, it has nothing to do with the price or the regulations. It's only because the defeat devices and re-sleeving cats are making it so they don't have to replace the catalytic converters as much. Or is it because they make better cars and cats don't go bad and all the older cars are off the road? Who knows? But I'm just assuming that's what the issue is. Now, this last link, it is a Facebook search result. And it's on Facebook, O2 sensor spacers. And it's all of the videos. This is what they are looking at when they're looking at what is going on with defeat devices. So just beware. The state knows what's going on. With all this information, what do you think they're going to do with it? Now, back in January, if you remember this, the EPA said that they are not going to pursue criminal charges on Clean Air Act violations, but they will still do civil charges. Per se, what is it? Dave Sparks, how he got sued? Now, the reason why his case isn't being thrown out is because his isn't a criminal suit. It is a civil suit, which is what is still going on. You could still sue somebody for violation, or such as CARB, can sue somebody for violating the Clean Air Act. And the EPA, this is on October 29th, 2025. Because there's a lot going on last summer. Everybody was like, smogs are done. You could delete the diesels, remove your EGRs, remove your DEF, remove your SCRs. You're good. Just go ahead and just take it all off. If you search the interweb, there's people out there lying, saying back last June that when President Trump signed the CRAs getting rid of the California waivers, all of the waivers, that you could do whatever you want to your car. but those people are still making videos about smog deregulation. Now, October 29th, the EPA posted this bulletin, and links to the description on this one so you go read it yourself. Aftermarket defeat devices and tampering are illegal and undermine vehicle emissions controls enforcement. Alert. That's what this is. Now it goes on to say, this alert is intended to remind all regulated entities that installing a defeat device or tampering with motor vehicle or non-road equipment can be costly to their business and can subject them to enforcement and penalties. That is civil charges. There's a link right here. If you click on this link, it is an old link, but they're still promoting it. It's from 2020, and it lets you know what you can't do. It explains to you what the defeat devices and tampering really is. Go read it. Go do your own research. It's still illegal to do emissions deletes or defeats on your vehicle. And is the state of California going to start cracking down? I don't know. If you stay tuned, I will be watching the video live stream on April 23rd of this meeting and see what they have to say about these defeat devices, or see what they have to say about further enforcement or what they're going to do. But you guys, I would really like it if my channel was on the radar of the state of California, if I knew. That's one reason why I don't go into, I'm not so much into promoting defeat devices. I know everybody wants to get their emissions equipment off their vehicle, and more power to them. I support you guys on whatever you want to do to your vehicle that you paid for. And I know you guys are going to say, right to repair, we can do whatever we want. No, it's right to repair your vehicle to the OEM standards, not right to take stuff off of your vehicle or right to defeat emissions devices and equipment. It's right to repair your vehicle to OEM standards, which includes having the emissions equipment on your vehicle. I know you guys want to do whatever you want to your vehicle. That would be great. But as it is right now, the rules are we have to maintain our emissions equipment that's on our vehicle. Is the state going to start cracking down? I don't know. But stay tuned, you guys. I will keep you posted on everything that goes on. If it's good, if it's bad. I know you don't like the bad news or actual facts of what's going on. You guys really want to be fed stuff you want to hear, which is awesome, which is cool. But I will make sure I bring you guys the real factual information as it rolls out. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Don't forget to go over to expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies and sign up for an ExpressVPN account. I worked out a pretty good deal for you guys. I've been using them forever. I highly recommend them. And MuCar. Good thing I didn't break that. MuCar, if you're looking for an awesome OBD2 scanner, this one's a little bit pricey, but this is the MuCar 892BT Bluetooth scanner, two-way communication, does a ton of stuff. If you go on Amazon, pick one of these up. I'm trying to work out a deal for you guys. So go let MuCar, you're watching my channel and you saw them from my channel, and hopefully I could get you guys a deal on these. So MuCar, go check them out on Amazon. Maybe if I could work out a deal, I'll put a link in the description below with my discount code. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.